Happy Monday once again, Toby Lab from the Accounting Club. We have only a few more Mondays till the end of 2024. Before we know it, it will be Christmas and then 2025. I'm looking forward to the holidays and trusting that it's all going to be pleasant. 2024 has been an eventful year, and particularly when it comes to cryptocurrencies, which is something I would like to talk about today. I want to share my thoughts on what I think about UK taxes and crypto assets. We know most of us, almost everyone knows about Bitcoin, Ethereum. We know how volatile it is. You could trade, you can invest. So if you're buying and selling almost immediately, you're trading. If you're buying and keeping it to sell in the future, you're investing. And whether you're trading or investing, you need to know what the tax implication is for you. Now on the internet, I have come across a couple of videos on the internet that talks about avoiding UK taxes on cryptocurrency gains. And we know that Bitcoin has almost got to $100,000. So a lot of people have made gains. I have interest in cryptocurrency. So I have knowledge of what it is, how volatile it is, how much gains you could make on it. But I'm also an accountant, okay, and it's also good for you to plan for your taxes when it comes to gains on your investments, on your crypto investments. Now, in the UK, you have to pay tax on your income, on your gains. And I have come across a couple of videos online suggesting how you could avoid UK taxes on your crypto gains. And I just want to share my thoughts on some of those views. Number one way I've come across to avoid UK tax is to utilize your losses. Okay, so if you have interest in cryptocurrency, you'd have made losses over time. You don't make gains every time. You make losses because of the volatility. I have made losses. Okay, so if you have significant losses, then you can utilize those losses to offset gains you've made. Okay, but if you continually make losses on your crypto investments, why are you still in crypto? The reason you're investing is to make money and not to lose money. The more money you lose, the worse off you are. Okay, yes, you will make losses. I have made losses myself in trading or investing in cryptocurrency. So guaranteed you will make losses. But when it starts getting to the point where your losses are outweighing your gains, such that you are banking on your losses to offset your tax, your taxes on the gains you're making, I think you need to review your trading and investment strategy. So yes, you could use your losses to offset the gains on your trading, but you want to ensure you're making more gains than losses. Now, if you're making gains, you will not be able to avoid taxes. At some point, you will run out of losses. It may not be now, it could be 5 years, 10 years, you will run out of losses. Even if you have massive losses, you will run out, and then you would become subject to tax. Second option I've come across on the internet to avoid UK taxes is to never sell your crypto. Okay. when I invest in crypto or buy crypto, I am doing so to make money. So if I buy it now, I can keep it for a long time, 10 years, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. But at some point, I have to liquidate to make my gains, to cash out my gains. And at that point, a tax liability is going to be triggered. All right. So yes, you can hold your crypto for a very long time and let it grow massively, but then you have to cash out or take some gains, take some profit. And at that point, you will be subject to tax. So unless you don't plan to sell, then you can avoid paying tax unless you do not plan to sell. And the third option is to move out of the UK, relocate. Yes, if you could consider relocating to tax havens, countries where you have no tax rate or where they don't pay tax. You could do that. But what are you losing or gaining? Okay, you have to compare the long-term cost versus what you're gaining. You want to avoid tax on your crypto, but then you're relocating from where you live, where your family is, where your friends are, relocating to a completely new country. Yes, you will save tax if you do that. Relocate to a tax haven, but based on the value of your cryptocurrency, based on the value of your investment or trading, is it worth it to lose all those connections, those things you've built up in the UK? So yes, you could reduce your tax legally using those three methods: offsetting your losses, not selling your crypto, relocating out of the UK. But is it really worth it for you? That's my view, my thoughts on UK taxes and cryptocurrencies. I'm going to be delving more into this over time because it is an interesting topic. But in the meantime, if you need help or assistance with your crypto, with understanding your taxes and your crypto gains or losses, feel free to contact me. You can DM me, send me a message, and I'll be able to help. Of course, if you've made losses in the past, it would be good for you to document those and have them recorded with HMRC so that you can offset your profits, your gains against your previous losses. So if you need help with understanding taxes around cryptocurrency, then feel free to DM me. At some point, I'm going to be doing another video talking about what I am doing with crypto, so it can help other people who might want to benefit from trading or investing in crypto. Until next time, it is Toby Lab from the Accounting Club.